I am now going to shotgun this. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't scared. This is an earthquake. Don't know if you can see it or not, but it has 12% alcohol.
I've tasted this. This is disgusting.
Kind of tastes like carbonated Mad Dog without the fruit flavoring.
And it smells like the locker room in a boys' gymnasium.
And the practice spot, too.
Yeah.
There we go.
Making the incision. Spraying is normal. Spraying is normal. Twist the knife, that way the wound won't heal.
So I fucked that up. Shouldn't have done that. That's okay.
T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Man up.
Oh, God, that's gotta taste like... Couldn't do it, huh?
What?
Did you do it? No shit. I hope that tastes as good as it does coming up, because it's probably gonna happen. Oh. But that tasted good, didn't it? You look drunk already, dude. Rock and roll.